Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove screen protector or a case. Let me explain why. First, the screen protector, if it's not applied properly and it's going off the center of the phone, if it's not applied correctly, if it's going off to the sides, for an example, no matter which way, it can interfere with our touch and it can just make it worse or simply do the ghost touches. That's why we want to make sure that our screen protector is applied properly. Now, of course, for the case, if your case is going over the bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, right here, we got the case, it's not going over the bezels, but if it is, then simply it can make your touch disappear completely, or it can just randomly click on something. So like this, for an example. So that's why we want to make sure that our screen protector and a case are good. After that, we can go over and clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. That's why we're going to use a microfiber cloth for it. We're going to give it a few swipes. And now, since our screen is clean, what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone. This is very important because we may want to restart or refresh our system. We're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on restart, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, now everything's loading up, and what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software. So let's open up settings, and here let's scroll down to system. We're going to click on system updates, and here, as you guys can see, it is installing the latest update for me. But if you're not on the latest version, you will see the button on the bottom right corner to download and install the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.